How to see and find your unpaid items on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your unpaid items on ebay.com easy and fast. So all what you have to do to find your unpaid items is log into your account. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top and go down until you find the purchase history right here. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is go down until you find unpaid items, as you can see right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.